Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your gestational age on Flow app. So guys, gestational age is the age when right after you stop having your period, you are tracked for pregnancy. So your pregnancy starts from right after you stop having periods. So that's called gestational age. So if you want to change that and think it's inaccurate, then just go ahead and tap on this avatar over here. And now in my goal, go ahead and tap on track pregnancy. Tap on next. And now it says right here that Flow uses gestational age, the number of completed weeks that you have gone by since the day of your last period. So if you want to change it, just go ahead and tap on change pregnancy week. And now you can select whether it's 4 weeks, 2 weeks or 1 week and just tap on activate pregnancy mode. So guys, there you go. That's how you change the gestational age in Flow. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.